Assalamu alaikum scholars. Today we will told you how to draw your research model to conduct either a CFA or an SEM in AMOS software. I have a model like this. So first of all you need to maintain your data in SPSS software. I have already inserted my data in SPSS. How to insert this data in SPSS? You need to see our previous lectures in which we have delivered our detailed lectures how to maintain these sheets in SPSS and how to insert your data in SPSS. So I have different variables, different items which have already been maintained in SPSS. Now I am going to draw my research model in AMOS software. So first of all I need to check the number of items. So first of all my variable is entrepreneurs trust 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 items for this variable which I need to draw here. Simply I need to click on this button and then 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in order to change the shape of these objects, I need to click on it and then select all, and then select all, then click on this button. So this is one variable, and then in my data set there is another variable which is known as entrepreneurs IT, means information transparency, and it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 items. So I need to draw another variable here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So then again I need to change the shape of these variables. Click on this button, click on it, click on it, click on it, and then I need to select the items individually. Select all of them. After selecting them, I will be able to move it by using this button into a right place. So this is the way I have prepared my model. Then I need to draw another variable in my data set here. So I need to draw 9 items for the last variable SES 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are 9 other items for the other variable. Deselect all. So here I go for the 9 other items 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then again I am moving forward to change the shape, and here you can see that select the items, delete some of the, because it is creating some problem to me. I am deleting them one by one. Why I am deleting them? Because some of my items goes inside there, and that's the why I am unable to select them. Click on it, click on it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can say that select the items, select it, select it, select it, select, 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 select. So I am going to change to move them here, and then I am going to change their shape like this, and then I am going to move them here. You can see that some of my items and variables are going beyond the screen, so I need to click on this button to resize the screen, and all of these variables are come under the user's interface. So here I need to join them. So this is the way. This is the way, and this is the way. So these are the way you can draw your model. You can also change the, this is the model which I have drawn for checking the CFA, the confirmatory factor analysis or model assessment. But if you wish to perform the SEM, you can also relocate your variables. Just delete this. It is very simple. Delete these lines. Delete, delete, and change the shape, and then place it at here, and then select this one, select all, and deselect all, and then select one by one, just like I am doing, to move the one variable and its items and error terms. One by one you can select them. This is a button, you can select one item or one variable or one error term. This is a button, you can select all the model which is looking at here. So I am going to select one by one, and then I am going to relocate the variable at, sorry, one of the error term is item was not selected. So when then I am going to reshape them at here, and finally deselect all, and then select one by one. So I am going to select this variable. So the earlier placement of the variable was just to perform the CFA, the model fitness, and now I am relocating the shape of these objects and these items and error terms just to perform the SEM. So I want to relocate the shape of this variable, and then I want to change the position of this variable. Then you can see that I want to draw the relationships of the variables. So this is the way that I am going. You may also do the same for CFA and for SEM. So this is a research model to perform the SEM. The earlier model which I have drawn by using these correlation among the variables, that was the model to check the CFA. How to insert the numerical values in these items and these variables, and how to test the SEM and how to test the CFA. You are requested to please see our next lecture. This lecture is just about how to draw the model to test the to apply the CFA and to perform the SEM. So both of the ways I have told you in this lecture, how to draw the model for CFA and how to draw the model for SEM. So how to insert the data in these items, in these error terms and these variables to perform the results. You are requested to please see our next lecture. You are also requested to please subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz, Shukriya.